What's your name, please?
My name is Celia.
How old are you?
I'm 36.
36. Where are you from?
I'm from Spain.
I knew that. So you've flown in to do this show, Celia.
Yeah.
Is this your full-time job?
It was opera singer.
Wow.
Well, now I'm a ventriloquist.
Oh, me too.
Fantastic.
Since 2 years, yes.
How did you go from opera singer to ventriloquist?
Good question.
I mean, I was having a fun, having a red wine, and I saw Terrifier by chance in the YouTube, and I said, wow, what is that? I'm gonna try this. And then I said, I'm gonna go to American Got Talent, and then
Well, that is quick. Normally, people take about 20 years to learn how to do this, and you've done it in 2 years?
I'm trying my best.
Well, you better. Okay, Celia, good luck.
I'm nervous for this.
I would like to show you how a ventriloquist gets ready before going on stage. All the voices you are going to hear are coming from me. I have my props, I have my voice, and now I'll find some music. Once upon a time, I believe in miracles. I believe that love will come around. I believe that anything was possible, and I believe. Manolo.
Yeah, I know.
I can't do now. I'm in American's Got Talent.
American Got Talent?
Yes. I can't do now. I'm on the stage right now.
Okay, Sofia Vergara?
Yes, Sofia Vergara. She's here.
Okay.
Okay. We talk later, Manolo, okay? Okay.
Yeah, Sofia Vergara.
See you. And I believe until the moment saw you here tonight. Now once upon a time has never felt no wrong.
Oh, here we go.
No wrong.
Wow! That's unbelievable, Celia.
I don't even know what to say. That was such a surprise. That was so different than anything that we've ever seen.
Thank you so much.
I have to say, it was kind of refreshing not having like some weird puppet coming out of a box. So I actually like that you put a little twist on it.
Yes.
The dial is up here on season 17 like it's never been up, and you just turned the dial to 11.
Thank you.
I would say, yeah, in all the years we have seen a ventriloquist act, this is the best original, most creative version. Okay, we've got to vote now. Howie, yes or no?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Celia, you are 4 C.